Hello everyone, it's me, I'm back. It's ATMProps&Cosplay here with this new video about my new current projects, Patoranger and Lupinranger project. I've already made both badges for both rangers, and their buckle that they both wear. First, I'm just going to show, I'll refer to them as the V badge, and the S badge. The V badge is used by the rangers with capes. They look pretty cool. They got, like, hats on their head. They got like wizard hats. They look pretty cool. So there is the V badge. Already 100% hand sculpted, molded, ready to go. Castings. I can make castings. So I can make more and do whatnot. The S badge, the police special forces badge, or as I may refer to it, as it is like a sheriff's badge. Very cool. 100% hand sculpted again, molded, and I can do castings. So I can plonk it on the front of the helmet. And their buckle, already done, hand sculpted, molded, ready to go for people if you want them. A lot of people just probably do through Facebook. You can message me there if you're interested. So the carved lines, already painted in the black lines. So that's it. All three of the new Sentai product I've already made so far for project. 3 pieces already done for the new Super Sentai project, Lupinranger versus Patoranger. So ciao. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed these pieces. Thanks for watching, everyone.